Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z and number name with color name. So let's start. Black color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, pink color, yellow color, brown color, purple color, orange color, light green color, pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yellow color. E for alligator. Pink color. B for butterfly. Light green color. C for candle. Orange color. D for doctor. Purple color. E for elephant. Brown color. F for fingers. Pink color. G for goat. Dark green color. H for hand. Sky blue color. I for island. Red color. J for jelly. Blue color. K for kite. Black color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. Pink color. N for nest. Light green color. O for onion. Orange color. P for panda. Purple color. Q. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for rainbow. Pink color. S. S for sunflower. Dark green color. T. T for train. Sky blue color. U. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for fan. Blue color. W. W for watermelon. Black color. X. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Is pink color. Z. Z for zebra. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.